Acupuncture at the dentist. Acupuncture has been used for thousands of years as a way to both restore and maintain our health and a balance within our bodies. According to Chinese medicine, we all have an energy that flows through our body, which is generally referred to as qi. As long as this energy is flowing freely, we enjoy a balanced life and good health along with an overall sense of well-being. If it should happen to get out of balance, however, we can experience all kinds of troubles that range from headaches and depression to life-changing diseases. One interesting way in which acupuncture has been used is for pain control at the dentist. It has also been shown to reduce our nervousness whenever we are sitting in the dentist chair. At times, acupuncture is provided for us in advance in order to prepare our bodies for dental surgery, and at other times it is given to us while we are actually sitting in the chair so that we are relaxed and not feeling the nervousness that we may be feeling otherwise. It's not only in going to the dentist where we feel the benefits of acupuncture. Many procedures involve acupuncture either before, during, or after the surgery actually takes place. Not only does it help in managing the pain and reducing the amount of pain medication that the person typically needs to take, but it also helps with side effects of the surgery such as nausea and may even reduce the recovery time necessary from a surgical procedure. Dental surgery can be very invasive, and most of us are nervous about going to the dentist anyway. That is why many have turned to acupuncture and keep an acupuncturist on staff in order to administer treatments whenever we go in for any dental work at all. Even though not all dentists have embraced acupuncture as a way of treating their patients, many do so, and it is not difficult to find a combination of the two. Not only can it help us to overcome surgery and problems in the dentist chair, it also can help us in all areas of our life. By returning us to the balance that we are to have naturally, we enjoy a healthier life that emanates from within. If you use acupuncture along with other natural treatments, you would be surprised at how far these natural methods can take you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.